LinkedIn Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're reviewing LinkedIn, one of the most powerful online job platforms for professionals. If you're looking for a job, recruiting talent, or building your professional network, LinkedIn is a must-have tool. I've included links in the description below, so check them out for more details. Unlike traditional job boards, LinkedIn is both a professional networking site and a job search platform. It allows users to create a detailed profile, showcase their experience, and connect with industry professionals. For job seekers, LinkedIn provides an advanced job search feature where you can filter by job title, location, company, experience level, and remote work options. The Easy Apply feature allows users to apply with just a few clicks, making the process efficient. Job alerts keep you updated on new opportunities, and premium users get access to insights like salary estimates and how they compare to other applicants. For recruiters and companies, LinkedIn is a goldmine for talent acquisition. Employers can post job listings, actively search for candidates through LinkedIn Recruiter, and even use AI-driven recommendations to find the best matches. The ability to view candidates' profiles, endorsements, and recommendations provides a more in-depth look than a traditional resume. One of LinkedIn's key advantages is networking. Unlike other job sites, LinkedIn encourages professionals to connect, engage with content, and join industry-specific groups. This makes job searching more than just submitting applications. It allows users to build relationships and get referrals, which significantly improves hiring chances. Another standout feature is LinkedIn Learning, which provides courses to help users upskill and improve their job prospects. Additionally, the platform offers company pages, salary insights, and employee reviews to help job seekers research potential employers. Overall, LinkedIn is an essential tool for career growth, job searching, and professional networking. Whether you're a job seeker or employer, it provides more than just job postings. It creates opportunities. If you want to maximize your career potential, check out the links in the description and start using LinkedIn effectively today.